What's up, y'all? It is January 2nd. We're starting the year off with a shoot. We're going to do a video before the shoot and during, which you can see later. But right now for this video, we're going to show you our wrap up. So this is where we did all the shoot. Where Ashley standing was pretty much all our work area. Kind of like a quick gear tour. In the corner, we have all the C-stands stacked. And that's a good thing about having C-stands because they stack nicely together, working in a group. Usually we put this away after every shoot, but we're gonna keep it out because we have a shoot tomorrow morning. The camera of choice, this sits on a tripod. I don't shoot off the tripod, but usually when I'm working in between the client or the model and makeup artist, I just have it down here so I can have my hands free and kind of guiding. But yeah, 5D Mark III, 50, 1.2, Pocket Wizard wireless to the 8 and Bs, which all of these are attached with one. Have it Velcro so it won't prematurely come out. USB 2.0 straight to the iMac, which is connected to the TV, which is wirelessly connected to the Apple TV up there. So pretty much everyone in the room can kind of see what's going on. And just looking at the photos, these are where we have it in Bridge. Just scrolling through the photos. We had 4 makeup artists today with their models, and these are all out of the camera, no edits. So the good thing with having formal training with a makeup artist, you have the teachers and assistants kind of guiding them, and then once we have it perfect, I go ahead and take a test shot so they can kind of make adjustments from there, and then after that, we'll bring them back in front of the lights and cameras and they're ready to shoot on. So we can shoot about 10 or 15 shots and they're all perfect versus the other way. They won't get any test shots, they'll think they're good to go, and we'll shoot 10 or 20 shots, and what if the first shot's bad? We'd have 20 bad shots. So that's kind of like the process we go here and that we teach here. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned to the next video. We'll post some maybe the final photos and videos. Peace.